Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get Rocket Dock for Windows XP users. Well, I have XP. I am just using a Vista theme. It's called Vista Inspirant 2. So just go to the first link in the description. It's called Rocket Dock. It uses it's a small file. I can't even describe how small it is because it's a very small file. The new versions of it are better, like very good. You know. Sorry about that. And then you just watch the video to find out stuff about that, and just go to download here. Now you can download the latest version of it, or you can download the better one, the one you've seen, 1.3.0. So yeah. After this is done, it's gonna take some time. 1 second. 6.48 MB. Seems like a lot. And then just click run. By the way, this is my first ever video with 0 alpha 0 mega 0. Click next, accept the terms, and then click next. If you want to create a desktop icon, click next, click install. And then after that's done, like, it's going to install in less than 3 minutes after you've clicked on the version you want to download. So yeah, it is pretty quick on installing and downloading. So yeah, no, it is nearly finished. It's gonna be finished. It's done. Launch Rocket Dock. So, and then Rocket Dock, just go down here, and then you can do the settings and everything. If you don't have the settings button, you just do right click on an empty space and then click dock settings. You can auto hide it, and that means if you take the mouse away from that area, it will automatically hide itself. But 1 second. Zoom, behavior, auto hide, and click OK. And if I put my mouse over to the left hand side, I can see these. And if I put my my mouse away from the left hand side, it would go away. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time from 0 alpha 0 mega 0, and see you next time.